Hi guys. Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Gauranvi and this is my first ever vlog. So thank you for stopping by to watch my video. I am a 31-year-old stay-at-home mom who left her job to be around her baby 24/7, and honestly, I'm loving this life. I left my banking job, which I did for 9 years, to be at home and look after my little one. My husband was my biggest support during this journey because it is really not easy to leave a high paying, reputed job and stay at home all day. I have been in a job for almost a decade and been at home for more than a year now. So let me tell you that former is much easier than the latter. I will definitely explain this in my upcoming videos. I am a person with diverse interests and give myself wholeheartedly in whatever task life throws at me. I've always loved managing my home even when I was not married and lived alone. Buying groceries, keeping the house well maintained has always been my thing even when I was working full time. A house should always be very welcoming and positive, no matter if it is a rented apartment or an owned house. A house should always feel like home. I love cooking for my family and anybody who comes at our home. We hardly ever order food from outside. My husband is also very fond of delicious homemade meals, and during the weekends, he also cooks one or two scrumptious meals for us. I really love it when my husband makes such efforts even after a busy week. I feel the only thing that inspires our children is the bond that their parents share. A positive home gives a positive perspective to children when they go out and face the real world. Positivity can do wonders. It can definitely not change or solve any situation, but it gives you a calm mind to at least find a solution. ईशा क्या कर रहा है? भिंडी खा रोटी तो खा लो. आप खा लो. A positive mind will not look at a situation like a pessimist will do, and that makes the whole difference. Children learn all this from home, and we cannot tell them to be such. We have to be positive and create an environment for our children which makes them positive and kind. Even though there are no winters in Mumbai, but being from North, I really miss North Indian food, especially the winter delicacies. I love sarson ka saag and makke ki roti. My husband is not very fond of makke ki roti, so I make wheat chapatis for him whenever I cook sarson ka saag. Leaving the job and deciding to stay at home was not an easy thing for me. It took me months and a lot of calculations to come to the conclusion. I happily made this choice after analyzing everything and leaving no confusions in my head. Now, when I look back, I have no regrets of doing what I did. Yes, there are days when I miss that credit message at the end of every month, but I know I will figure out something bigger and better to achieve that again. What I have lived in this last 1 year is so valuable that no money can ever buy that. I have been a very ambitious woman all my life and I still am. Honestly, doing a job was never on my list. I always wanted to do my own business. But as you grow up, you realize the realities of life better. I grabbed a job after my graduation and worked with the same organization for 9 years before I finally resigned to be around my son. Next day, I was craving for some delicious matar paneer with the rich gravy and some nice flavor of kasuri methi. I love cooking, and if I know what to cook, then it is no task for me to cook even the most complicated dishes. But on days when I have too many options to think from, it becomes a task to settle for something. I love paneer a lot. I love all the dishes that has paneer in it. So when I can't think of a vegetable to cook, I simply make any paneer dish like palak paneer, kadhai paneer, shahi paneer, and sometimes just some quick paneer bhurji. In last 1 year, I've also learned to enjoy my meals alone. For me, the most important meal of the day is lunch because it is the only time I eat a plate full of food. Breakfast and dinner is generally very light. I eat my lunch after I put my son to his afternoon nap. Our home is a total silent place in those couple of hours. I run a little home baking business and also keep myself busy in some stock trading. This makes me some money as well, which brings me some satisfaction. I have always loved cooking so much that even in my childhood, I used to play only with toy kitchen sets. I was around 14 years when I discovered about OTG. I baked some naan khatais for the first time in that small Bajaj oven. I burned some, but ones which were good were so tasty. I started baking, but only as a hobby. Even when I was working, I used to bake on the weekends and take my baked goods for my colleagues. Everyone always loved what I baked. I really enjoy baking even though I am doing it on a very small scale. I have so many more stories to share with all of you about my transition journey and times before and after the transition. So stay tuned and subscribe for more such realistic and relatable content. Thank you for watching my video till the end. See you soon in another video.